The Honor Gentlemen's Country Club presents Country Nature, Knives.
Sir. Welcome back to Country Nature. Right now we're going to throw some knives. But right now, this is just target practice. Hey, this is what we're going to do. We're practicing at the ground right here.
Let's get to the
Because
point.
most of Country Nature is real low to the ground.
That was a pun.
Like I said, this is practice.
Alright, where'd that shit go?
You know?
Bloopers.
Practicing.
Welcome back to Country Nature. My name is Bayou Bisso, otherwise known as Old Mole. Please watch me throw knives.
In at the ground.
Oh, they're right next to each other.
Double steak.
Fuck. Dude, you guys mean G.
You watched enough episodes of Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
You've been practicing with those knives.
Shit happens.
Ladies and gentlemen, Old Mole Bissell.
Shit happens like that. Oh, I love that lightning bolt on there. It just makes me feel like fucking so powerful when I hold it, you know? Just makes me feel like I'm fucking harnessing. What?
The Honor Gentlemen's Country Club reminds you to always be safe and use extreme precaution when using objects that can hurt you. And we're not very good at it. So in an effort to be safe, here's a guitar clip.
What's up?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The viol's getting lower again, my friends. Hard time to try his best to win. The viol's getting lower again, my friends. So let's get damn loud, show the rebel within. The viol's getting lower again, my friends. Do yourself a shot and let's start to sin. The viol's getting lower again, my friends. Let's light up the smoke and live hard till the end. I do you right, you can do me wrong. Look out, darling, cause you know I'm cockstrong. Do me right and I do you wrong. Look out, darling, cause I'm showing you the rebel within. Again,
Thanks for watching Country Nature, presented by the Honor Gentlemen's Country Club.